Hi students, this is videos for you. Here's what I want to show you. If you want to make sure that you're getting emails from your teacher, like important notifications and announcements and things like that to your school email from Classroom. Inside Classroom, you want to go right up in the top left-hand corner to these three horizontal lines. You're going to click on them. Now, you're not going to have as many classrooms as I do, but what you're going to do is you're going to scroll down to the bottom of your list. And right down here, you've got settings. The very bottom one's going to be settings. So if you click into that, you're going to be able to choose your settings for notifications. So if that's turned off, then you are not getting emails. So you want to make sure that that's turned on, and then you can see what you want to turn on for the different classes that you're in, okay? Now for class notifications, you can go specifically by class as well. So that's how you would make sure that you're getting notifications from your teachers.